Confidence, financial jargon, and a sharp suit are not proof of competence. Just because somebody sounds intelligent, just because they work for a big bank, an insurance company, or a global brand, just because they use words like portfolio, hedge, structured fund, legacy plan, does not mean that the advice you're getting is in your best interest. In this video, you're going to discover why many Kenyan professionals are unknowingly outsourcing their financial future to people who are trained to sell, not to build wealth. You will learn how to spot polished advice that quietly drains your money. You'll understand the one skill that protects you from costly financial mistakes. And by the end, you'll know how to take back control of your financial decisions calmly, confidently, and independently. If we haven't met before, my name is Manyara. For over 20 years, I have worked with high-earning Kenyan professionals, people working in organizations such as Safaricom, Bamburi Cement, NGOs, audit firms, multinational companies, and so on. On paper, they were doing well. Good salaries, respectable careers, stable lives. But financially, many were stuck. Today, many of those same professionals have dependable rental income, growing net worth, and financial systems that don't rely on guesswork or sales pitches. I'm not here to bash banks or advisors. I'm here to help you think clearly so that you don't outsource your financial future blindly. Let's talk about the beliefs that quietly make you vulnerable. Myth number 1. They are a financial advisor, so they must know better. This sounds reasonable. They have a title. They wear confidence well. They speak fluently about markets. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Many so-called advisors are actually sales professionals. Their primary loyalty is to the product provider, not your long-term outcome. The hidden cost, you end up buying what is profitable for them, not what is effective for you. Myth number 2, if it's a special fund, it must be superior. Kenyans love exclusivity, private funds, special windows, invitation-only products. It feels smart to be chosen. But many of these products are simply repackaged risk, dressed up with complexity to justify higher fees and commissions. The hidden cost, you carry the risk, somebody else collects the certainty. Myth number 3, old school investments are outdated. You've had this one. Land is slow, rental property is old-fashioned. This is the new economy. Well, here's the truth that most salespeople won't tell you. Complexity does not replace fundamentals. Cash flow still pays school fees. Assets still beat promises. And boring, well-structured investments still outperform flashy ideas over time. The hidden costs, you chase innovation and miss stability. Here is the principle that protects you from being misled. Clarity beats charisma. Let me say that again. Clarity beats charisma. Understanding beats confidence. Independence beats persuasion. When you understand how money works, even at a basic level, you become immune to pressure. Not because you're aggressive, not because you argue, but because you can quietly say, this doesn't make sense for me. And in today's Kenya, the rising cost of living, unpredictable jobs, school fees, medical costs, this principle matters more than ever. Let me give you a simple framework you can use anytime somebody pitches you an idea. Step number 1, who benefits first? Ask yourself calmly, who makes the money first? Is it you or the institution? If the salesperson earns immediately, but you wait years to see results, that's a red flag. Step number 2. Where does the cash flow come from? If the investment cannot clearly explain where the money comes from, rent, interest, business income, be cautious. Hope is not cash flow. Projections are not income. Step number 3. What happens if nothing goes right? This is a question that most people never ask. If markets stall, if tenants delay, if growth is slow, do you survive? Good investments don't require perfection to work. Step number 4. Can you explain it simply? If you can't explain it to your spouse in 2 minutes, you don't understand it. And if you don't understand it, you don't control it. At this point, I know what you might be thinking. I don't have enough money. Most of my successful clients didn't start rich. They started structured. Money grows faster when it's directed intentionally. I'm afraid of choosing the wrong thing. Fear is not the enemy. Blind trust is. The goal isn't to be perfect. It's to be informed. You might also be saying, I don't have time to learn all this. You don't need to become an expert. You need a system and the right guidance. Here is what you can do immediately. Step 1, pause before your next financial commitment. No rushed decisions, no pressure. Step 2, write down your current assets and liabilities. Clarity begins here. Step 3, ask one powerful question for every investment. How does this improve my monthly cash flow or long-term stability? Step number 4, commit to learning from neutral educators, not product sellers. Step number 5, start building assets that pay you, not stories that impress people. This is exactly what I help professionals do inside my financial freedom coaching program. We don't chase trends. We don't sell products. We build systems. Clients come in confused and overwhelmed. They leave with clarity, alignment with their spouse, and a practical path towards cash flowing assets, often starting with rental real estate. If this video resonated with you, the next step is simple. I've created a free training called Stop Living Paycheck to Paycheck with These Money Secrets. In it, I walk you through the pillars of financial independence without jargon, hype, or pressure. Click the link in the description and watch it today. It's the most practical starting point I can give you. Let me ask you, have you ever made an investment because it sounded smart, but later felt unsure about it? Share your experience in the comments. If this video helped you think more clearly, please like it. Subscribe for more honest conversations about money. And share it with a friend who might be one smooth sales pitch away from making a costly mistake. My mission is simple: to help Kenyan professionals move from salary dependence to calm, structured financial freedom. And clarity is where that journey begins. I'll see you in the next video.